Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix cannot send messages due to this user's privacy settings on TikTok. So guys, if you are trying to send messages on TikTok and you are facing this problem and you are unable to send your messages on that TikTok account, here I will show you how can you fix this. So guys, first of all, let me tell you that this problem is not from your side. So guys, the person whom you are trying to send messages on TikTok may have enabled privacy restrictions on his TikTok account so that no one can send him direct messages and no one can send messages to him on his TikTok account. So guys, here you can also activate privacy setting in your TikTok account so that no one cannot send messages to you on your TikTok if you are busy. So guys, here you can see this. If you open your profile and from here tap on three lines and from here tap on settings and privacy and from here tap on privacy and from here tap on messaging. From here you can activate privacy on your messages mode. So guys, here you can see this. You can receive message from everyone and you can also set the privacy setting that no one can send you a message if you are busy or if you are not willing to receive a message. So guys, this is the way to fix this problem. If you still want to send message to the person, you will have to simply ask him to remove this privacy restriction on his account, and after this you will be able to send him messages directly on his TikTok account. So that's it for today's video. If this video helps you, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.